Welcome to Pioneer FX. Today is the 8th of June. Hope you guys are doing well. Just a quick update from last week, Sunday. Fundamentally speaking, we've only had an update with regards to Australia. They've had an interest rate hike from 0.35 to 0.85%, which is a 0.5 basis point with regards to Australia. And that's further adding a bullish momentum for AUD as expected. Other than that, nothing else has changed majorly. Everything else still is the same. We were looking for dollar shorts this week, which we actually got from the get-go. Yen shorts, pound. We were looking for buyers. So we were just going to go through the current trades that we were looking at from last Sunday. This is just a quick update from last Sunday. So looking at this chart here, starting off with volatility, as expected, starting to see volatility tick down from the 6th here, slight nudge down. Now what to expect now from these levels is potentially another wave down. I'm expecting to see it come down as low as around 16 before we start to see a momentum shift for the volatility. So volatility is on the downside at this moment in time. With regards to GJ, this was a beautiful trade from last week Sunday. We caught it. I've been long since way back down here, but from last week, just updated my chart, but from last week on the 6th, so the 6th was around about here. So this was a beautiful trade. Reason being is because obviously traders were looking left. They were heavily selling here. They were selling here. There was a lot of selling pressure. So we saw a massive shift up. I did mention from last Sunday. It was either a massive bull run or a retracement, which we didn't quite get for that continuation up. So massive bullish momentum, massive run up. That was around 450 pips. Now what to expect from these levels here now currently is we could potentially see it reject lower, perhaps towards the end of this week, to attract potentially sellers into the market from these highs. So what I'm expecting to see now is they're obviously going to be looking left, give them a few pips and attract even more sellers, and stops most likely will be around this territory. So that's our next sort of target, expecting to see a retracement of such prior to that continuation up. But we've had that bullish run since the start of this week. Beautiful trade. With regards to gold, this is very interesting now. Reason being is because previously it was basically on a downtrend here for quite some time. It's been on a downtrend here. You can see that structure has been broken. So it broke out structure, came for like a retest within this territory over here. And now it's currently consolidated, or currently starting to form a channel, as you guys can see it here. Placed our fibs from the previous low to high, and it rejected off the 78.6 as well as the 61.8. So now what to expect from here is a bullish run up towards the extension, retrace slightly, and target 1900 as our target long term. move stops to break even as soon as we break that 0% fib. However, I'm targeting 1884 and then 1902 for gold. Momentum's on the downside, however, expecting to see some form of bullish momentum kick in potentially tomorrow. EURAUD, this is another one we're looking at. It has broken structure. This has broke the ascending trend line here, and currently attracting a lot of buyers in this territory over here. Okay, so if it does break this this blue line here, if we do see a clear break of this channel here, we could potentially see it come up as high as 1.503 before pushing right the way down towards that target of 1.467. I'm expecting to see 1.467 in the nearby future. So that's our target there. That's if it breaks that channel, that is, or we could see a direct shift down, which is what I'm expecting to see. And it's currently, it has rejected off the 38.2. Looking great to short from these highs. EURAUD, fundamentally driven. Pound USD, this one here is very interesting now. Reason being is similar to gold actually. You can see here that this trend has been broken. It's making lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And now this was the last lower high. It's broken structure, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, low, and it's currently consolidated in this area here. So this was the last high. High, low, high, low. So it's basically currently the last impulsive wave, you could say, is from here right the way up, which is where I placed my Fibonacci. And as you guys can see, it's at 61.8, ready to run right up. Traders are looking left, plenty of sell traps there. Yeah, this one's looking very, very nice indeed. Let's place a channel here. We could potentially place a channel from here. To there, to there. A, B, C, expecting D relatively soon. That's our next target. Let me just get rid of this. This trend line didn't quite do it correctly. Where is our channel? Perfect. We could also place Ganfam. Yeah. To there. That's going to confuse us. Douglas has formed this channel here now. Nope, that's going to confuse us even more. So what to expect now? We had 0.1, 0.2. Could we get a fair touch from this channel, perhaps? Or what I'm expecting to see is two things here. Potentially push down, one final push down towards the 200 moving average before pushing right the way up. Or we could see an impulsive wave right the way up towards our target of 1.27571. Let me just get rid of these moving averages because it's kind of confusing everything here. Trying to make it a lot more clearer by eye. It's a bit smaller. Traders are looking left. They're most likely selling. We're looking to take it out of the way. Beautiful trade, this one. Should play out nicely around 200 pips. So that's that. We looked at GJ. GJ is well above, looking to see it retrace. Gold, looking for that push higher. Pound USD is another one. So these are the only ones we're focusing on for this upcoming week. If you've guys got any questions, feel free to let me know. Type in the chat or basically let me know through Telegram. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. And we shall see you on Sunday. Thanks very much once again. Take care and bye for now.